See, these ones have them, but they're small. See that one?
There's some in the boat.
Okay, can I see these ones here?
Yes.
Okay, that one's got a sort of a lip on her, a good lip already. This one's starting to form. This one, what do you think?
Okay, flip them over. I'm going to say that one looks a little small. Now that one looks good. That one looked small. Okay, so there's like 3 or 4 in the boat.
Okay, so here, take these two. Let those two go until we find bigger ones.
Oh, okay. Well, there's like 4 in the boat right now.
Yeah, I know. We'll take the other 2 if we find bigger ones.
Okay.
And we'll throw those out. We don't need 4.
Yep.
Hey guys, I don't know, remember I told you we froze these now. Let's see. Oh, that is gross, man. Give me the water there. The fresh water. Jesus Christ.
Put it in the goddamn salt water. Where is it?
So again, remember, these were frozen. I took them out of the freezer, and now we're going to pull them out without destroying. Usually what they do is they break a hole with a claw hammer here and stick a knife in and cut the membrane, and they slide out. I don't want to do that because I like to make conch horns. So we'll show you, that'll be some other time. But so now I just grab him. He's frozen, he's dead now. And pull it out. Whoa, that's a big one in there. So now that I've done the hard work of wrestling these conchs out of their conch shells, like you saw in the video, I've given the rest over to Sandy.
First, my first thing I'm gonna do is take off this wing, this membrane wing.
Okay.
And
then you got to cut off the claw in the eye. Where's the eye?
It's
Where's the eyeball?
the eye is there.
The eye, yeah. Cut the eyeball off.
So that's garbage. Just gotta peel this stuff back.
Yeah, you got to peel that skin back.
This is the hard part.
If you were a Bahamian, you'd have it done by now.
Yeah, they just like whip it off. That's like the shrimp, you know, the poo trail. So you gotta cut that out.
Yeah, now isn't that like an aphrodisiac or something?
The slimy part, just ahead of that.
Yeah, you're supposed to eat it. Got a good piece there, Shan?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Pretty much.
So that's how we clean it. And then later we'll show you what we do with the how she prepares it. So that's one down.
Yeah.
That's a good slice of meat.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Right now is tenderize the conch a bit. That's what they say to do. And I'm doing the conch fritters. Flipping them over. They're going to work out well. I had some leftover mashed potatoes, so it's the potato, conch fritters, diced tomatoes or a can of diced tomatoes, whatever you happen to have, baking powder, flour, hot sauce, I said baking powder, and what else? The conch, salt and pepper. That's it. There's the first batch, well, 2 batches that I fried up. Third batch coming. I'm gonna have to freeze these ones